For the last few days, I stopped asking people to film my RC flights. Instead, I let this tiny camera do it. Sometimes the results were incredible, and sometimes they definitely weren't. When it loses the airplane, it doesn't get it back. But when it works, it's like having your own cameraman.